Why is information security so critical in today's digital world? Well, imagine a world where personal, financial, or business data can be accessed by any prying eyes, anytime, anywhere. That's a world without information security, and it's a scary thought. In the world of ethical hacking, information security is a cornerstone. It's all about authorized and legal penetration testing, which helps identify and address vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, and applications. The goal? It's simple. Strengthen the security posture of an organization by proactively identifying and mitigating potential security risks. Let's start with the basics. The CIA Triad, a model designed to guide policies for information security within an organization. It stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality ensures that sensitive information is accessible only to those with the right credentials. Integrity maintains the accuracy and reliability of data by preventing unauthorized modifications. Availability ensures that systems and data are always accessible when needed. Then come the common security objectives. These include authentication, which verifies the identity of users, systems, or devices. Authorization, which grants or denies access rights and permissions to users or systems. Data encryption, which protects data by converting it into a secure format that can only be accessed with the right decryption key. And audit trails, which keep detailed records of system activities to monitor for security incidents. Risk management is another crucial component. This involves identifying and assessing potential risks to an organization's information assets, prioritizing risks based on their potential impact and likelihood, and implementing controls and countermeasures to mitigate identified risks. Next up is vulnerability assessment. This entails conducting systematic evaluations of systems, networks, and applications to identify vulnerabilities and utilizing tools and methodologies to discover weaknesses that could be exploited by attackers. Penetration testing simulates real-world attacks to assess the security of systems and networks. It involves identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in a controlled environment to measure the effectiveness of existing security measures. Security policies and procedures are equally important. These involve developing and enforcing security policies that define acceptable use, access controls, and other security-related guidelines. It also includes establishing incident response procedures to address security breaches promptly. Then, there's security awareness and training. This involves educating employees and users about security best practices and conducting regular training sessions to raise awareness of potential threats and social engineering attacks. Technological controls, such as implementing firewalls, intrusion detection, prevention systems, antivirus software, and other security technologies, are used to protect against various threats. Ethical considerations are paramount. Ethical hackers must operate within legal and ethical boundaries, obtaining proper authorization before conducting penetration tests and respecting the privacy of individuals and organizations. Last but not least, continuous improvement. This involves regularly updating security measures based on the evolving threat landscape, learning from security incidents, and adapting strategies to enhance overall security. In a nutshell, information security in ethical hacking involves a comprehensive and proactive approach to identifying, assessing, and addressing vulnerabilities. It's all about protecting the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information assets. Regular testing, ongoing education, and continuous improvement are the essential components of an effective ethical hacking strategy. So, the next time you think about the importance of information security, remember that it's not just about keeping data safe. It's about keeping the world secure.